PMP certification's impact on construction project management. Setting a standardized approach, PMP certification gives professionals a standard framework for managing projects. It aligns construction processes with global best practices. It ensures consistency in planning, scheduling, and execution. This lets teams streamline workflows. Enhanced risk management. Risk is inherent in construction, from weather uncertainties to supply chain disruptions. PMP-certified managers are trained to identify, analyze, and mitigate risks. This reduces the chance of costly delays or budget overruns. They can use structured risk management techniques to create contingency plans. These plans will keep projects on track despite unforeseen challenges. Improved communication and stakeholder collaboration. Large construction projects often involve multiple stakeholders, including architects, engineers, contractors, and clients. Miscommunication can lead to costly errors and conflicts. PMP certification stresses stakeholder management and communication. It helps project managers keep all parties aligned and clear. This results in better decision-making and a collaborative project environment. Efficient resource allocation. In construction, managing resources like materials, equipment, and manpower is crucial. PMP-certified professionals excel at resource allocation. They use techniques like critical path analysis and EVM to optimize resources. Improved flexibility. A key benefit of agile contracting is its flexibility to adapt to changes. In traditional contracts, clients may be forced to follow a fixed path. This is true even if new insights or market shifts suggest a different approach. Adapting to technological advances. The construction industry is quickly adopting new technologies. These include building information modeling, BIM, and project management software. PMP certification prepares managers to integrate these tools into their workflows seamlessly. Boosted credibility and career growth. A PMP certification shows a commitment to excellence. It also shows a deep understanding of project management. In construction, this credential boosts a manager's credibility. Conclusion. In conclusion, PMP certification transforms construction project management. It gives pros the tools and knowledge to manage complex projects with confidence.